For sale, a 1956 chassis number 6501217. It's the 1217th 190 SL build in 1956. It's a California car. It's one owner. Been in California its entire life until I recently purchased it. Excellent condition. There's pictures of the undercarriage and detailed pictures on our website. This is listed as a 1956 project car. Restoration of these cars, we experience the majority of the expense is in the original condition. So if you can minimize the metal fabrication cost and having an original car, you're not buying a lot of parts from Mercedes-Benz during the restoration process. This particular car is a good example of an original, fairly low mileage, and from a metal fabrication perspective, in very good condition.